here again. This is from Watson's too. All of the stuff, since the National Bookstore show off, no, since the National Bookstore rubber bands, all of the products that you will see is from Watson's. And this is Watson's Love My Smile by Watson's. These are dental floss picks. It has a tongue cleaner, the toothpick, and the round thread for tight teeth gap. Yeah, shred resistant, and the flavor is mint. So you have fresh breath all day long. Yeah, my brother recommended the floss for my teeth, so I won't need to injure my gums by the toothbrush, because I guess my gums are still sensitive. But yeah, I should use floss, my brother told me. And yeah, because I guess it's because flossing is a good hygiene too. It's good for cleaning the tartar. Yeah, so let's open the floss, and I'll try them. There. Open the floss. We open the floss, we close the floss. Here, so round thread for tight teeth gap. Watson Mint round thread dental floss picks. Sustainable choice, handle made from 50% food grade recycled plastic, and the box made from 50% recycled plastic. Effective cleaning helps prevent surface stains between teeth. Flexible curved tail end helps safely remove trapped food debris. You know, when you want to remove some tartar from your teeth, the ones that squeeze in between the teeth, and there's a small gap there, you could use the very tip end just to, you know, remove the dirt. Yeah. Oh, there are 2 packs. I'll just put them in. Open this. Open the first pack. I smell it. I checked if it smells like similar to mint or really mint. So I put the dental floss picks inside the box. Removed from the plastic container. So these are my dental floss picks. Dental floss picks right here. all inside now. They're all inside now. So, dental floss picks. I would want to try one, but they're 50 pieces. Yeah, so let's try to pick. Oh my god. There's some tar. But yeah, it works. I like the black ones, but yeah. So as you can see, there's the tar. No, I cannot see it. Alright, bye. Mosquito, don't bite. Stop biting, mosquito. Mosquito, don't bite.